What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different survival gadgets. Weather is super nice outside. I want to go out and film outside because it's like good 55 degrees right now. So for the first one we got right here a really unique what is it, alcohol stuff. Boom, let's check this out. So there's a pot stand right here and the legs, 99% rubbing alcohol. Don't forget your limited edition all black lighters, and first time I filmed it I didn't think much of it. I thought it was cool, but these things are sold out on Amazon, so pretty cool. Let's light it. It takes a little minute to get it going, but it's going to burn from those copper pipes. One have lead and second one, and the third one lighting up. Very unique camping stuff. I really like it how that folds and have a really nice tripod on it. Also I have right here vintage pocket survival kit. I really like that one a lot. So there's a little knife, little flashlight. Flashlight need to be the battery replaced right here, and a whistle. So this looks like pretty much it. Close it, and then right here we have right here sparks. Man, it's a bit harder to open, but there you go. I'm just going to keep this alcohol stuff in the background to show you how good the output it is and how long it's going to burn. So easy to strike it. Then this side here, open it, and you have a compass, removable. What else? This side here, the signal for airplane. Look through, there's instructions. And then this, the compartment, that's the instruction in here that was sitting. I would get rid of that and probably put like band-aids in here. So I really love that little compartment. I can build my own survival kit. There's a little fire starter in here, snare wire if you watch alone, that's very useful. Fishing kit, that's very useful for small fish. Around here we have tiny fish, so piece of corn will do it. Catch ton of little fish, and a rope. And I could add on whole bunch more stuff. I don't know what's aluminum foil for, but you can just imagine. And look, it's like almost empty. With all of these little things I can add on Victorinox in here, everything else. I might build my own survival kit with this thing. Super unique, I like it. Also pocket size duct tape, super awesome. So it is just like a regular duct tape. Instead it's rolled onto this little plastic. If I need to start a fire, I could use this. It's going to burn really well, so I could use this to get the fire going. I could use this to patch things up. Very good stuff. Many uses on that stuff. Look at that. It has like a really long, much like. This is a nice knife, because right now especially I pulled it out. It's so important to have, because it's a knife. Let's see, it's in twist this way, and almost like a machete. It's the biggest one Opinelli makes it. Lock it, and now we have, if we hold it on the bottom, it's a machete, a regular cooking knife. Let's go try to chop some things. That stuff is keep going, I like it. My chicken coop is overgrown, but look at that. If I need to chop some things, it really is like a machete. Look at that. Get to the destination that's going. Clear out some path. For example, this plant taller than me. Look at that. And let's say I need to get through all these sticks are all over, and this is my regular path. So I might want to chop this stuff up so I can easily walk through to my barn. So that works really good. Maybe clear out the path for camping path. There you go. Now I can walk through easily without getting ticks on me. I wouldn't use it for the trees. It's kind of like a machete to chop up a bunch of plants. And look at that clear path. It's still burning. The output is impressive. I'm getting allergies. Outward rope, check this out. There's a power cord and this is like a mini cord, but same idea. This side here you can put the lighter, and I think for this one you need miniature big lighter. There's a crimp, you untwist it, you can put a lighter in here or fishing kit, either way. Kind of like the lighter, the idea. So untwist as much rope as you need, and then you open it and then crimp it back so it stays together. I really like that. Also, this comes off, you can replace or remove the blade as needed. Same thing right here. Kind of untwist it, take off a piece that as needed, and fishing kit lighter can go in here. I don't see why not add it on to your kit, both of these things. Ace Beam Key Light 500 lumen, little square, rechargeable flashlight, rechargeable right here. Close it back up. Simple battery, button, just press it on and off, and press and hold to change the moods. Press and hold, and triple click in case there is a bear. Maybe you can scare off even a deer or moose, whatever. Really nice and powerful flashlight. Press and hold, change it. Super simple, works for a keychain. And in case you don't like alcohol stuff and then you live in a wooden area, this side here might be perfect for you. I had it for a long time now. So it opens this way. A little bit awkward, but we got this going. You lock it in, then you flip this over and lock it in here, and then twist it tight. Then this side here is the legs, and that's it. And this will be your pot holder. We have really nice pot holder we can remove on and on. This side here, if you open it, we add on twigs and sticks over here, and this side here, air hole. Highly ventilated, has some cracks, but you see on the inside there's plenty of ventilation. Let's see, there you go. And then I can close it, so ventilation coming from here will be really powerful. And as you can see, it works really good on dirt too. I can drive into it, and once I'm done, just remove these two. I love that they are thin. Let's see. I'll fold this and close it. That's it. It's such a unique design, one of a kind. I'm just speechless how good some of the gadgets are. And then close it, ready to go. And this one is a vintage survival kit, but it's so good. It's just a military grade. There's some cool hooks and ropes. It is designed more so for like deep sea fishing, but off a cliff and things like that, still possible. There's a lot of different kind of gears in here and fishing kits. The hooks will be different, sinker hooks, knives, little knife right here, extra hooks, gloves, even in a net. The way it's designed to put it on and off is this side here. On one side, tight enough but not too tight. You wanna kind of make it easily to flip it to the front. Tighten these two up a bit higher, and then put it through, and check this out. I can fish with all my gear here. How cool is that? That's such a good idea. And whenever I'm done, just untighten this. Careful with all the hooks. Probably easiest to do it when it's sitting. Roll it back up, and I can tighten it all together. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Kinda look back to the gadgets I put to the test before, and I really enjoy that kind of stuff. I've been ordering a lot more. Been a bit sick for the last 2 weeks, so finally coming off of it, getting more gadgets, getting more survival gear and things like that. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you for watching, see you next time.